Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I have a very special award unboxing. I am so excited and pumped for what's in this box, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. First, I want to point out, if you guys haven't already followed me over on Amazon Live, please go ahead and do that now. The link will be in the video description below. This reward is directly related to Amazon and Amazon Live, and I can't wait to show it with you all. So big thanks to Amazon for allowing me to be a part of the Amazon Live program. I love doing live unboxing reviews and product demonstrations. And thank you to my lovely viewers, followers, subscribers, whatever platform you're on. If you've went over there and clicked that follow button, you have single-handedly helped me to get this award. So now let's go ahead, let's open it up. All right, really excited. What do we got here in the box? We're gonna find out right now from the Society Awards. All right. Here we go. A box within a box. All right, nothing else in there. Just want to make sure. There we go. Ooh, check this out. Here we go. It's heavy. It's got a good weight to it. A golden box right here. Let's open it up. How do we want to do this? All right, we want to do it this way. So here we go. Ooh. Cleaning cloth. And check that out. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh, that looks so good. Amazon Live Digital David in the year that I hit A-list 2020. Wow. Check that out. That is really cool. Really cool. Love the crown. Amazon Live on there. Sweet. And we got a nice cleaning acrylic instruction set for us. So there we go, guys. What do you think about that award? Thank you so much for following me over on Amazon. And thank you to the Amazon Live team for this award that I can display now for everybody to see in all of its glory. That is really cool. Very good looking. I'm not sure the video is going to do it justice, guys. This is a really neat looking award. Oh my goodness, looks so good. Check that out. Bam, there it is. Amazon Live Digital David 2020 with that crown. Let's go. That is sweet. Oh my goodness. We are just getting started on Amazon Live, guys, so I am so excited to see where this thing goes in the future. Make sure you click that follow button to join me on the journey, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next live stream. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.